Welcome to Free Craft Class Online. Today we are going to make this one, which is a cute gift idea for any occasion. It can be birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or for your best friends. So this I made it with only white paper. One or two white papers is more than enough. Just pause the video and take out the measurements, draw on a paper and then cut it. Now fold them like this. So you'll need four pieces like this. Two of them are identical. So attach them with a glue. If you have a glue stick is also fine because anyway we are going to use a white paper. If you have a white card sheet also you can use it. It would be more stronger. So attach all the four like this and then use the glue so that it stays intact. So fold it gently and then make a square like this as shown. If you have anywhere, if you are lagging, just pause the video and go back and check what to do. So here you're drawing the cover of the box. So for that I just put the box and then measured it and then I just drew. So this is the closing part of the box. So this is how I made it. And then just to make it more stronger, I'm just attaching more white paper just to show you this white paper so that everyone can do. So that's the reason I just made it with white paper. So then use glue and then attach at the bottom and also on the sides. So now just take a small piece of paper and then cut it this way, fold and cut. That's easy. You don't need any measurement for this. So you use glue and then attach it. So here you can keep the message card. So you can use any sizes of your choice. Now cut the small strip here and then attach it. So that's it. The base of the box is ready. So you can decorate it however you want. So here I have cut down a pink color flower. So I just draw the template and then cut them and then I'm just using a small stick and a pencil to make the petals. So you can also skip this flower and then you can put some gifts inside it and you can use it as a gift box, or you can make this flower and put your message in it, and that's it. It's a very useful and a good gift for your friends or family members. So this making this flower is not a difficult part. I just used only one pink color paper. That's it. So for this craft you only need three papers, just like it's two white papers and one pink color paper. That's it. This is ready. If you have any stickers or you can decorate it. I just wanted to keep it simple, so I just show it. So it's up to you, the decoration part. That's it. In this you can write down the message and leave it. So hope you like this idea. Comment below if you like. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye.